Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I have a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. It's using some purpley tones, just a really pretty like wearable kind of look that, you know, for work, school, the grocery store, like wherever you're going where you just want to look, you know, have a wearable look but also super pretty and a little bit glam. So yeah, if you are not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you will get notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Okay, so jumping into the first tutorial of 2018, whoop whoop, I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk concealer. This is in Fair, I believe, and I'm just taking that and putting it all over my lid using a flat Morphe brush. This is the same brush that I use to clean up my brows. I had used the same concealer today to clean up my brows and use like a bunch of different products for my brows, so I was quite happy. This stuff is just so creamy and it's just beautiful. So I'm using the colors Magical and Pendant to set my eyes. These are from my Tarte Magic Star Collector's Edition palette. Now I'm using the shade Getaway on my SL Miss Glam. It was a collab with Ipsy. It's the T35 blending brush, and I'm just putting that in my crease as my transition color. Then I'm using Bangle. It's a kind of like mauvey purpley color. It's so pretty. I'm using that on a Morphe brush, placing it and then blending it out with the same brush that I just used to put my transition shade, and then just slowly building up color and blending it out. I do try to not like blend the color out too much. I don't want to like blow it totally out because I do want there to be, you know, a little bit of gradients between the transition shade and this shade. Now I'm going into my MAC Burgundy ×9 palette and taking this shade in the middle. They don't have names or anything, so I'm sorry, but it's the darkest purpley shade in this palette. Taking that on my I by Beauty crease brush, which is a really small, denser brush, and I'm packing that on like the outer V part of my eye and barely in the crease, and then using that same T35 brush to blend all of that out. This color I'm really focusing on like where, you know, how high up does it go, all of that, because this is the darkest color. And then I just went back in with that brush that I used to set all of the concealer and made sure it was totally blended and flawless. So I'm going into Indulgence, patting that all over my lid, and then just blending where the two meet together. Now I decided I wanted a little bit more sparkle, so I'm going into my ColourPop Eye Candy Super Shock Shadow. Say that 3 times fast, right? And just using my finger, I'm popping that right on the lid, and you can see it just like made it a little bit glowy looking. These are so pretty. From anything that I've ever tried from ColourPop, the Super Shock Shadows are the shit. They are like where it's at, man. They're so good, and they're like $5 a piece, so it's super affordable. Now I'm giving my lashes a little curl and then a coat of mascara. I just used the Falsies mascara. I did put the name of everything and the prices on this video. If you guys like that, let me know and I'll keep doing it. I saw it on a video from someone else, so I thought like it was a pretty cool idea, so I decided to go ahead and do it. I'm just putting my Ciate London Gel Kohl Pencil in black in my waterline and my tightline. And I did my face off camera, but I am going ahead and putting some glue on my lashes, and then I'm going to let them sit and get tacky. I definitely didn't just put it on and put them on my eye. Make sure you wait and let it get tacky. And then going under my bottom lash line, I'm taking the darker purple color from the MAC palette and the color Bangle. Now I'm using Mary Luminizer from The Balm, putting that on my inner corner. That's the first time I've ever used this highlight, and it is so good. It's so gorgeous. And then using my Ulta Plush Drama Mascara, I'm using this for my bottom lashes. I did do about 4 coats because I really wanted, like, I love a really, really dramatic bottom lash line. I think it's just super pretty, super gorgeous. Yeah, and just using that to kind of blend my natural lashes into my falsies a little bit. And getting it on my face, you know. Mascara game is just hard. Hard sometimes. and going back in and giving them a little bit more coats. Also, if you guys are wondering what happened to my nose ring, I had to get an MRI done of my head. I had to take it out. I forgot to put it back in and it closed, but I actually thought it kind of made me look a little not so cute, so I'm not mad at it. So I'm using the Tarte lip paint in Castle and putting a little bit of highlight on the center of each, oh my god, I almost said of each lid, of each lip. I'll put all the products I use for my whole face also in the description bar, even if they weren't in the actual video. I'm patting that out to blend it, and then I did put a little bit of Carmex over top just because my lips were dry. And that's the finished look. Love you guys. Bye.